Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette, tips for relationships with colleagues and clients. Kit, for years I've attended your team building presentation that work is a task event and a social event. We want to make sure we get things done, and we want to make sure we get things done right. And it's also important to get along and to give others appreciation. I need a little help on this one with work relationships. I agree, and arriving on time to all appointments, properly dressed and organized, is a great start. Few things will make you seem more unprofessional than showing up late, looking sloppy and unprepared. Arrange any physical documents ahead of time so you know where all your presentation materials are, arranged in the proper order for when you need them, and you can grab them right away. This is important because you can't rely on technology. Technology issues and failures are not a rare occurrence, and how you handle them reflects your professionalism, patience, and attitude. Try not to get angry or flustered. If you can, get the technology to work properly, and if it doesn't work, don't make a big deal of it. Your fallback strategy is to use the physical documents. Casually switch to those and move on. Always carry business cards and carry them in a nice business card holder. Listen and ask thoughtful questions. People want to be heard. Recognize, regulate, and understand emotions in yourself and with others. Acknowledging others is proper business etiquette for both casual and formal work environments. Recognize your team, such as when someone walks into the room at a business dinner or meeting. Greet them and say hello appropriately. The same rule applies if occasionally working from home and attending virtual meetings. When someone new joins the team, learn and use their name as quickly as you can. This communicates respect and assures them you value your acquaintance with them. And empathize with team members and discuss and overcome challenges. Now, if you're behind on work and your boss suddenly adds a large time-sensitive project to your plate, strike up a conversation with your manager to understand the relative priority of the work. Share that you're already behind on your work and express your worry about becoming overwhelmed. Discuss your concerns with your manager and come up with a solution. Keep your work area clean and tidy, especially if it's in a central visible space or faces the public. Within your workspace, it's okay to add personal touches, but remember that your colleagues and your customers will see the space and consider it a reflection of your professional self as well. Observing the atmosphere and actions of others can help you understand what's appropriate and what's not, and how to best navigate the workplace while maintaining your professionalism. You know, that being on time thing has always been a challenge for me because people are constantly stopping by to chat with me, and my cell phone is already and always beeping and buzzing with calls and text messages. I need to update my business cards. My high school graduation photo doesn't really look like me anymore. Just kidding, it's not my high school photo, but it is certainly out of date. Also, I will try to keep my office neat and tidy and remove some of the personal stuff that may reflect a less professional image. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette, tips for relationships with colleagues and clients. If you're struggling in your relationships, contact me at kit@welchlin.com. I'll provide a seminar or workshop on how to work together better.